Hey guys, how are you doing? So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys this crazy PojavLauncher iOS download tutorial. So if you want to get PojavLauncher on your iPhone, I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So just press play now, and as you can see guys, it fully works. So we have all the versions and stuff right here. Super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it onto your device. So if you ever was like, oh, I need Java Minecraft, like I'm going to show you guys how to play. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go to our browser and we're just going to type in this website. So it's called tweakmod.com. So on this site, guys, you can get the Pojav launcher. So I'm going to type it in. So let's look for it, and it should be in here somewhere. So I'm going to press install, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification, okay? So this is the last step to download the PojavLauncher. So basically what you got to do is download 2 apps from the list, and you got to follow the instructions on the apps. And that will install the PojavLauncher into your phone. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. So as you can see at the end, it says missing files. So this is where we got to download the 2 apps. These are all free. They're from the App Store. So for instance, Travel Town says download and reach level 9. So I just press continue, and then go to the App Store and just download it and play it till level 9. So yeah, just make sure you do some of these. You're going to be good to go. So that's how I get PojavLauncher for your device in 2026. So yeah, just make sure you're like playing through them, and you should be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself, because this like actually works and everything, you know. People are always like, oh, there's no way you can get Pojav on iOS, but they don't know the secret, guys, that you literally just have to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and then you got it, my gang.